All right, you are about to discover the best email marketing software for beginners in 2024. That includes a done-for-you automation system set up, complete, and ready to go. Now, you do not have to write any emails. You do not have to send out any emails. And you do not have to set up any automation because all of this is done for you in the background. Now, this is for beginners, intermediate marketers, and advanced marketers. If you like me, I like writing emails, but I don't write emails every day. But what if you have someone that does it for you on the back end, and the only thing you have to do is plug in whatever it is that you are promoting. If you're promoting one particular affiliate program, plug it in. If you're promoting 2, 3, 4, 5, plug them in there, put them into a rotation, setting them up in a rotator, because emails goes out for you daily, at least 4 emails per day. Okay. Now I want you to grasp this because I'm about to share with you how a system called Vantage AI, okay, has changed the game with email marketing, where the only thing you have to do, the only thing I'm doing is running traffic to a capture page that's already built for you in the system as well. You don't have to create any funnels. Okay, understand this. You do not create any funnels. You do not do any email marketing. You do not write any email, and you do not set up an automation. You do not have to worry about cleaning your list because Vantage AI does it all for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get into it right now. I can show you how I'm doing it, how it's working for me. But first, I'm going to take you to the actual page, and then I'm going to take you inside of the system and let you see what's going on inside of the system. With that being said, let's go right now. Okay, I've already mentioned it, but the name of the system is Vantage AI. Okay, this just came out about a month ago. Now I've been in it ever since the beta program has begun. I've been using it and it has been working for me. I do not have to send out any emails. I do not have to write any emails. I do not have to set up any automations. I do not have to create any funnels in this system. I can promote Warrior Plus products, JVZoo products, ClickBank products, any of the affiliate marketing businesses that I'm promoting, programs that I'm promoting, I can promote them in this system right here. Now, as you see right here, Vantage AI, this is the home screen, the done for you solutions, all of this performance dashboard, done for you list segmentation, done for you follow-up email system, done for you broadcast system, done for you list hygiene. You don't have to worry about all. The only thing you need to do is get the leads in and let them worry about everything behind the scene. Okay, this is an all-in-one marketing platform for the make money online niche. Okay, build funnels, manage email, automate the processes, create websites effortlessly. Okay, you can get a 14-day free trial by clicking the link in the description below. Okay, all the tools you need to grow in one place. Done for you email opt-in funnel, emailing system, automations, website builder, fully integrated email system with done for you services, all in one conversion mailbox. Plus, you can get an app to keep up with your leads as well. I'm going to take you inside of the system to show you that. Okay, it's easily to get started with our done for you solution to help you fast track your marketing, to help you fast track your email marketing campaign with these solutions. Email performance dashboard, done for you list segmentation, done for you follow-up system, done for you broadcasting, done for you list hygiene. If you click here, you can see more. Okay, it's going to take you where you can watch the videos on here, but I'm going to go back. Okay, all these videos explain everything, so you can click here to watch the videos. Automate your email follow-ups. As I said before, communicate easily, efficiently with customers and leads. Build funnels and website. If you want to do that, you don't have to do that because they're already created for you. Now, with that being said, you do have to do some setting up. Okay, there are some steps you have to go through in order to get this stuff set up. I just want to introduce you to the system right now. Okay, perfect lead generation dashboard with all the stats that you need. Okay, this is a simple page. Now we come back up here, as I said before, let's go ahead email performance dashboard. This is videos for you to watch right here. Okay, it's going to talk about everything in here that you get access to. Watch these videos so you'll get a better understanding of what's happening. Done for you list segmentation. You have a video here to explain that to you as well. Okay, so all of that is in there. So this is the website. Okay, we're gonna look at the pricing right now. The Vantage AI pricing plan is $49 per month, but you get a 14-day free trial with that, okay? The price will go up after beta, but this is during beta right now, $49 per month. But once you see everything you're going to get, it's well worth it, because you can't do this with Get Response and keep your monthly cost at $49 per month email marketing with what you're going to learn inside of this system. Done for your marketing funnel, done for your email marketing system, messaging. You can do SMS, okay, Facebook Messenger, all of that in here for $49 per month. 10,000 emailing credits every month. You cannot do that with Get Response, okay? After that, 1 cent per email send, okay? Beta price is locked in for life, so click the link in the description to get it now. If you want to go yearly, you can do it for $490 a year. You get everything that you want right here. Eventually, I'm going to move up to the $490 per year, so I won't have to worry about it monthly. But hey, get in where you fit in. Okay, and also it has an affiliate program that you can join as well. So let's go into the actual software so you can see what you're going to get with Vantage AI email marketing system. Okay, this is the dashboard. Once you get your account by clicking the link in the description, you'll be able to book a call with them. You click this here. You can book a call with them to make sure that you have everything set up. This is a 15-minute call, nothing but to help you get set up. Nothing about the, how the system works and things like that. But this is just to make sure you have everything set up and ready to go, and you can pick your different times over here. Another thing that they have, you want to watch this first video, you want to make sure you join the Facebook group, okay? So you can do that as well. Simple system setup. Just follow these videos. Domain setup. It's going to walk you through each process, what you need to do. If you can open up the video on another screen or in another tab, which you just did, just follow the video and you'll have everything set up. It's going to take a while, okay? Because it took me a minute to get everything set up following their instruction. But once I got it set up, I'm good to go. You're going to have your profile set up. All of these videos walk you step by step how to set up everything. They're not real long, but they're going to help you. Getting your billing done, getting your email service done. The longest out of there is the link setup. This is what you want to make sure you get set up. Follow every video to the T. Do not deviate. Okay, follow it to the T. So all of the training is there for you. Then you have the videos here, dashboard overview, done for you list segmentation. All of these videos are the same videos. If we come over here, let me see if we can go back. Let's go back over here. If we come back over here to these, all of these are the videos here, are the videos right here, okay? But you can still watch them on this page right here. Anyway, so you can learn how to properly warm up your domain before you start adding your leads in here, okay? You can download the mobile app to respond to leads on the go, okay? And you can become an affiliate and earn 30% of recurring commissions as well. So you just follow that. Now, this is the Getting Started tab, okay? You have a conversation tab. This is where you're gonna have conversation with people, okay? All of this stuff right here is gonna help you, okay? So here we go. You're gonna have all your contacts and things are gonna be right there. You have opportunities set up here. Okay, they have all of this set up for you. You don't have to worry about opportunities and pipelines and blah, 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 and all of that. If you go back to the dashboard, you'll see how many, total leads, total active users, how many emails were open, how many emails were clicked. You can come in here, total active clickers. You can come in here and put in your, how much your traffic costs you, then how much commission you earn with that traffic, things like that. We don't worry about payments. You don't have to worry about that. You can come in here, in your media storage, you're able to add, your videos, your images if you want to. I don't worry about that with this system. Okay, now let's go to the sites. All of these pages are already done for you. You don't have to worry about them. You have additional pages here, okay? Free training, unsubscribe. If I click on free training, these are already done for you, and they show you how to put this to use inside of the system, okay? Let's go back. You have the Vantage IX additional capture pages, okay? So you're able to see that. And if we click on this page, I'll just show you what it looks like here. So all of these pages are already done for you. Everything's connected. You don't have to worry about connecting anything. Once you get the system set up, remember, follow the Get Started tab, okay? Another thing, we come back, you have Opt-in Dojo. Now I'm using the Opt-in Dojo funnels, okay? Which if I click on that, you see we have two different types of opt-in pages and one bridge page, okay? So if I look at the almost done, this is something that I'm using strictly for solo ad traffic, okay? It works. And if we go back and we look at the next one, and as I said before, these are set up and ready for the go once you get everything set up, following the getting started. If we go back and then we can actually look at the bridge page as well. And that's the bridge page. So you have all of that right there. We come back. This next funnel is the same as this Opt-in Dojo, okay? Let's go back one more. The Vantage Solo Ad funnel is the same as the Opt-in Dojo, okay? The only difference is the setup will be a little different, okay? And they have training videos that's gonna walk you through that, okay? You have a tracker redirect page. They show you how to use different tracking software, Quick Q-Liker, and another one. So they'll show you how to do that. But personally, for me, I use Opt-in Dojo because it works. So you're gonna have automations. You do not have to touch any of this. You can't touch any of this. They're not gonna let you in. They have it locked. Agency user, the automations and everything are set up for you. The emails go out for you on daily basis. All you have to do is put your link in there, okay? Marketing, if you want, you can come in and set up some emails and do some broadcasting on your own. But why? You know, when they're doing it for you, that's what the system is for you to just send the traffic with your affiliate, send the traffic, add your affiliate links into the system and let it do what it do. That's the only thing this is for. There's no other system out there that does this, okay? And if you don't know how to write emails, you hate writing emails, you're using Chat GPT or Gemini or something, whatever, some kind of AI to write your email, well, you don't have to worry about that because it's all done for you inside of this system. Just go back and follow this setup, okay? So if I come over to one of my email accounts, you'll notice right here, if I click back, there go an email from me using this exact system right here. It's sending out on my behalf. Here's another one. If I type in, Richard Hairston up here, I type in Richard Hairston up there, let's see, press enter. All of these emails that you see here pretty much in September and some since October the 28th, okay, it's when I've been using this system. All of these emails came from my Vantage IX system. I did not have to write any emails, and these same emails are going out to the leads that I'm putting into the system. Are you hiding? Okay, this is the email. If I click on the link, okay, it's going to take it to one of the affiliate programs that I put the link in for. This is HBA, okay? I have some other affiliate programs that I'm using in here as well. And if I want to change out the link, it's as easily as going into my Opt-in Dojo back office, changing out the link, and that works. So that's the system in a nutshell. If you want to get access to it, go ahead on, click the link in the description right now. It's going to take you to this page right here. Okay, come to this page, click on get your free trial right now. Click on that, come down here and hit the start button. Let me see if we can scroll down here, hit the start now, and you are good to go. Okay. So that's all you got to do. Once you hit the start now, make your payment and get started. You get a 14-day free trial before you even have to pay. So that gives you time enough to set up the system, okay, and then start running traffic. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I have my system completely together, okay, and what I'm doing to get traffic into my system. So with that being said, go ahead on, click the link in the description. The next video that I do will be a Vantage IX review video. So I hope you got value from this video. Like the video, give me a thumbs up, share it with somebody you know that want to get into email marketing. Make sure you leave me a comment below, hit that link in the description to get signed up. Make sure you subscribe. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.